Hi guys, welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, today is April 20th. It is about 65 degrees here in the city. It is 2:15 in the afternoon, and I'm over here at Barrett Park. Now, I decided to go off for a little bit of a walk today because I'm just tired of being home all the time and resting my hip. Now, this is one big reason why I've been gaining weight, because I hadn't been doing too much walking to help my cause. So we're going to try to get out there a little bit here and there. Let me flip the camera around so you can see what I'm looking at. I'll turn the camera sideways so you can see more. There you go. And let me try to zoom out. There you go. So this is a waterfall. This is on the back side of Barrett Park. It's absolutely beautiful up here. I don't know what the idea was, that bench over there. That bench should have been way up over there, and I think somebody moved it down there because they were being ding-dongs about it. Or they could have been on, who knows. But that doesn't belong there. That's a safety hazard. If you're sitting over there, you wouldn't want to fall off into the water. But this is an absolutely gorgeous place that we go to now and then. I had a little issue getting up here. They had half the roads being blocked off because they're repaving the roads. And once I figured out a path how to get up here, I was fine. There's quite a few people here today fishing. Definitely want to get my fishing license to go back out and do some fishing this summer. It's a very, very relaxing sport. And, I just catch and release. I don't keep them. And, if you got kids or grandchildren, teach them how to fish, because my uncle taught me, my cousins, and that's how I ended up learning. And it's a fun sport, and it's nice and relaxing. You can bring your iPad, or you can bring your book to read and listen to a good playlist like I do, and it's fun. So I wanted to talk to you today about depression today. I've been depressed for quite a while now, and my problem with the depression is it's been causing me to gain weight because I'm making bad food choices again. So we're definitely going to be doing something about it there. We're going back to an egg fast for a few days, and then I'm going to give it, go back to like keto, and then I'm going to do like a beef and butter fast. And then towards the end of the month, Steffi from the Incredible Shrink and Steffi, she's doing an egg fast, and I want to do an egg fast along with her. And, we'll take it up one day at a time, or 1 pound at a time. That's it. But depression can be an awful thing, and it doesn't have to be related to health issues. Now, what's going on with me? I need my left hip replaced. This morning when I got home from the Historical Commission, I ate, and then I lay down, because what happened is I was getting some pain shooting up and down my left side, and it's all coming in from my hip. So, I waited long enough. It's got to come out. We know it, and, when that gets replaced, and hopefully I'll be in a much better place after the rehab, and I'll be able to go on to with my life like I was before, which is walking and doing my exercises that I needed to keep my weight off. And, we'll get there again. We didn't gain all that much. We weighed like 233 pounds this morning. I mean, we had my weight down to like 220, but, like I said, life is adventure, and it's just one of these things, you just got to deal with the good with the bad right now, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Maybe that's what I'll call this video, the good, the bad, and the ugly. There we go. And then, that Clint Eastwood movie, that great Western that he done many years ago. If you never watched that movie, it's a highly recommended movie to watch, especially if you love Westerns, because he did a couple of sequels to that movie. A Fistful of Dollars, and there was another one, I can't remember the name, besides all the great Dirty Harry movies that Clint Eastwood did, and the many other ones that he did over the years. But, yeah. But anyways, I just want to talk to you about the depression, and try to believe in God if you can. If you don't, then I would recommend getting right with God, and the rest will take care of itself. I'm a firm believer, and I know that God always has my back. He's always causing me to make the right decisions, and sometimes my decisions aren't always right, but we make there's the choices that He's given us the right to make, and. So we're going back on the weight program. We never left it. We just, like I said, sometimes we just make bad choices. When I get depressed, I use food as my comfort zone. It's always been my comfort zone. Food has always been my best friend, but it's also been my worst enemy. And, so definitely, like I said, we're going to starting tomorrow, Friday, we're going to be doing some egg fasting for a few days. Couple days of keto, and then we're going to go right back on the egg fast for a few more days, because again I'm going to have to pick up some more eggs. But anyways, I just thought to leave you with that thought. You know, when you're depressed like I've been, and you just feel like you don't care anymore, just please don't be that way. Just, you know, it's very, very discouraging seeing the news out there and what's going on today with everything. And all that's just going to get worse before it gets better. So you have to have a good spirit about it and just say, hey, look, there's nothing I can do about it, but I can do something about my weight. I can take my weight and my control of my life in my own hands, and I can do something about it, and I can make better choices. And that's what it's all about, making better choices. But I'll leave you with that thought. But anyways, I love you guys. You stay safe. You stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, I love you. God loves you. Have an amazing day, everybody. And don't forget, if you live locally and you want to come walk into some of these great places with me, let me know, because I'm always looking for somebody to take photographs of me. And go walking at some of these places. There's some other places that I would like to go. But have an amazing day, guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Love you guys.